Understanding file deletion in Google Drive.
When you delete a file from Google Drive, it's sent to the trash folder, not permanently erased right away. Files stay in trash for 30 days, giving you time to restore them if needed. Knowing how this process works helps prevent accidental permanent loss and makes recovery easier.
Checking the trash folder.
To begin file recovery, open Google Drive and look for the trash folder in the sidebar. Click on Trash to view all deleted files and folders. Browse the trash list for the file or folder you want to recover. If you don't see it, it may have been permanently deleted.
Restoring deleted files or folders.
To restore a deleted item, right-click on the file or folder in the trash. Choose Restore from the menu. The file will return to its original location in your drive. For multiple files, hold Ctrl or Command and select each file before restoring them all at once.
What if files are not in trash?
If the file isn't in trash, it may have been deleted over 30 days ago or permanently removed by the owner. In this case, check the Shared with Me section in case someone else still has a copy. If you're part of a Google Workspace organization, contact your admin for possible recovery options.
Preventing future file loss.
To avoid accidental deletion in the future, regularly organize your files and set up Google Drive's file versioning or backup tools. Consider using the Google Drive app's offline mode or syncing your files to your computer for extra safety. Being proactive helps safeguard your important documents.